Okay, here's the old switch, and I noticed the position of this, and I put the new one in, and there's a hole, there's a long slot that all of these go in on top of the column. Then inside that slot there's a smaller hole, little square hole on the inner layer of the column that this goes in first. Once you can slip it in that, then you can wiggle it around until all of these snap down in. The long flat plug goes on these two reverse light poles, and the other one goes on the park and neutral start side. There's no use for the fifth terminal on the new switch. It's right here. It's missing on this one, but it doesn't get used. It's just left open. Once you get it snapped down in, be careful not to break the tabs. This thing has a front and a back that are independent, and it will click. After you get it installed, you have to push on this flat surface or this one and click this thing left or right until you can start it in park and neutral, and then chock your wheels if you're putting it in neutral, and then make sure that your reverse lights work when you're in reverse with the truck off. And if it doesn't work, you can push a little bit, a couple of clicks here until they come on. If you go too far, you can push on this side until the reverse lights come on. You have to keep checking. And once they're on, you can put it back in park and make sure that it starts in park and starts in neutral. And once you finish all that, you're done. Just be careful not to break anything. This really should have been easier to install with screws. It just snaps into place. NS41 neutral safety switch.